Welcome to InfoHub. In this tutorial, we'll take you through the fundamentals of programming using the versatile Python language. Whether you're a complete beginner or just getting started, this guide will set you on the path to becoming a Python pro. Let's dive in. For one, why Python? Python is known for its readability and simplicity, making it a fantastic choice for beginners. It's widely used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks simplify complex tasks. 2. Setting up your development environment. Step 1. Download and install Python from Python.org. Step 2. Choose a code editor such as Visual Studio Code or Scikit-learn. Step 3. Write your first Python program and run it in the terminal. 3. Basic syntax and variables. Learn about print, function, and how to display output. Understand different data types, strings, integers, floats, and booleans. Declare variables, assign values, and perform basic arithmetic operations. 4. Conditional statements. Introduce if, else, and elif statements for decision making. Use comparison operators app. 5. Loops. Explain while and for loops. Iterate through lists, strings, and range objects. 6. Lists and dictionaries. Create and manipulate lists for storing collections of data. Understand dictionaries and key value pairs. 7. Functions. Define functions to organize code and make it reusable. Learn about parameters, arguments, and return statements. 8. Error handling. Introduce try and accept blocks for handling exceptions. Catch and manage errors to prevent program crashes. 9. File handling. Read from and write to files using built-in functions. Explore file modes. Read, write, append. 10. Final project. Simple to-do list application. Apply the concepts learned to create a basic to-do list app. Prompt the user for tasks, display the list, and allow task removal. The conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our beginner's guide to programming in Python. You now have a solid foundation to build upon and explore more advanced topics in Python programming. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more programming tutorials. Happy coding!